Sarah, I've been looking forward to our yearly campout for 3 weeks.
Me too.
It's going to be a wonderful day for hiking tomorrow. The great outdoors, camping under the stars. This is the life.
Yeah. But, Paul, I'm a little bit worried about the weather, though. The weatherman said it was going to rain later tonight.
Ah, nonsense. Nothing can spoil our adventure. Those weather reports are never right.
And it said there was a chance of high winds.
Ah, don't worry.
Paul, did you remember to bring our raincoats just in case, like I told you?
Oh, no, I left them on the front porch.
Oh, what are we going to do now?
We'll have to sleep in the car. Hurry, get in.
So, Paul, what are we going to do now?
How about playing a card game?
I left them next to the picnic table.
Oh.
Hey, you don't want me to go out in the rain to get them, do you?
Nah, that's okay. So what now?
Well, we could head down the mountain and stay at that hotel we passed on the way up, or go home.
Why don't we just make the best of it here and hope the weather clears?
That's a good idea.